How to find all accounts linked to your email address. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to find all the accounts linked to your email address. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Once you're there, you'll land on your Google account dashboard. Now, look on the left-hand side and click on Security. Scroll down a bit until you find the section called Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. Click on it. Here, you will see a list of all the apps and services that are connected to your email address. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check which accounts are linked to your email. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.